Thank you for coming back to the channel. Today's video is on Amazon purchases number 9. Starting off with LED string lights that rolls out, charges. You can charge a camera, everything of that nature. Next up is some roasting sticks. Just thought, I didn't have any in my trailer, so I thought I would add some to it. Next is the water dispenser pump. You put this into a 5-gallon plastic jug, and it's all battery operated. Just got to charge it. These are all for the trailer upgrade that I did. See my other video. This is the junction box that replaced the 4-pin. This is the 4-pin conversion that you put on your vehicle to convert it from a 4-pin to 7-pin. And then this is the breakaway kit that you install on the trailer when you install brakes. See my video part 1 about that. This is the brake controller connector you need for the brake controller that you have to install so that you can hook it up to your vehicle in the front, in your cab. And last but certainly not least is the propane cable cord I needed for my Blackstone. Thanks for watching.